Do you want an immediate solution to convert multiple vCard files? If yes, download 1-stop byte recover vCard converter. The professional software comes with many file formats. In this video, we will highlight vCard to PST conversion. First of all, read all the information written in the software interface, and click on the Next button. The software comes with dual mode. Now you have two options to upload VCF file. The Select File option helps you upload VCF files from the saved location. Select Folder allows uploading a complete folder containing vCard multiple files. Here, we choose the Select Folder option to load the VCF from the saved location. Then, click on Next and continue the process. Mark the checkbox of the required file and folder for the conversion. Then, click on Next and continue the process. Here, we select a PSD file format. Then, go to the folder icon to change and specify a location of the resultant files. Finally, click on the Convert button and start the vCard to CSV process. Once the process completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The free trial edition of the software has the limitation of convert vCard to CSV format. Here you can see your converted vCard to PSD files. Thanks for watching.